Hi, my name is Ed. I'm based in the UK for a company called Global Switch, and I am a FP&A Solutions Analyst. We're sort of across the mix of real estate and data centers. So we operate a bunch of different sites across the world. We aren't a traditional data center operator. We sort of manage a building, we build it, we manage it, and then people bring in their own hardware into the rooms, etc. I think like most companies, it's probably that everything is done in Excel, version management, these massive complex models that link different spreadsheets. Sometimes the links break. If you want to create a new document, you've got to relink all the other existing files. It's just very time consuming. Definitely the month-end process is a lot cleaner. The amount of information we can track across is much bigger. That's a huge benefit to the business. Presentations, we've used those a lot. I've used a lot of the different softwares, and it's the only one that really does presentations in the way the board does. Because it's all great having the ability to do the analysis and say, oh, I'm going to click around in this chart. But quite often when you're talking to like a CFO on a monthly basis or kind of a director, they just want the thing presented to them and here's the challenge, here's the variance, or here's the indicator. So having a same template every month that someone doesn't have to create, it's just bang, 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 there's all the reports and it's done.